This is how I make my cornbread dressing. I like to use Jiffy cornbread mix. Now you can use whatever cornbread mix that you like to use. You can use Martha White or you can make it by scratch. But this is how I make mine. I follow the ingredients, add the 2 eggs, I add milk, and I stir it all together into a mixing bowl. So the Jiffy cornbread mix does require you to add an egg and milk. I use 2 boxes, so I use 2 eggs and I add milk. I didn't measure it. I just add it by eye and stir it. So I have a flexi pan. I like using this flexi pan because the it doesn't burn. I don't have to grease it like you have to do with a different pan. So yeah, I've been using the flexi lamp pans for quite a long time. Now it's time to go ahead and get that cornbread all baked. Pop it in the oven. I set it on 350 degrees and I'm gonna let that bake and brown, nice and golden. And now I got the turkey neck. The turkey is all out of the turkey. These are my seasons that I use for the seasoning my the turkey necks and the turkey fixing that came outside of the turkey. This is one of my favorites here. This is gonna make it nice and tender. I poured the juice in as I get all my seasonings in. This is how it look. I put that foil on top so that it can boil and steam. Here's my cornbread. It's all done, nice and golden and brown. And it's ready for me to put inside of my dressing. This is how it looks when it's golden and brown. I'm gonna give you a peek now at the turkey neck. This is what I'm going to meat that I'm going to put inside of my dressing. It's optional. You don't have to put the meat inside your dressing. And these are now that I got the trinity all chopped up, I like to use for breadcrumbs. It's the pepper rich form, herbs and seasonings. You can use what you like to use for your breadcrumbs, but this is what I like to use. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in a mixing bowl. And I'm going to go ahead and put in my cornbread. Gonna go ahead and take the cornbread off the pan and chop it all up and add in that cornbread and mix it. Once you give it a good mix, you want to go ahead and add your seasoning to it. And the seasonings that I like to use here is the onion powder, black pepper, cumin seasoning, sage, poultry season, and Lorry seasoning salt. Yes, when you make cornbread, you have to have that poultry season in that stage. You can't leave that out. Also, the seasoned salt is optional, and also the cumin seasoning is optional. Now, I forgot to cut up my celery in that trinity, but you can use celery seeds if you don't want to cut up celery, but I did cut up celery. This is how it looks when I add all of my seasonings. And now it's time for me to saute my vegetables. I add 1 stick of butter, and I bring that to a boil, into a simmer, and saute it. And I'm going to add it to the mix for my cornbread dressing. I'm going to add the whole thing in there. Yes, look at all that goodness. Now I had to shift it over to a bigger pan so I can really get down in there and mix all of the vegetables up. You can add the juice from this to your dressing for flavor. I straightened all the chicken off the turkey neck. I'm adding some chicken broth. You can also add water. I'm going to add some water. Here I'm adding eggs to my dressing. I don't like my dressing dry, so I don't want to add any more chicken broth to it because I don't want it too salty. So here I'm going to add some water, and as I go, I mix it. And, you mix it together. You don't want it too wet. You don't want it too dry. But this is how it looks once it's all mixed up and put together and ready for the oven. So I'm going to go ahead and place it in the oven. My oven's already heated on 350 degrees. So I'm going to place it in here, give it about maybe 30 minutes to an hour to cook and brown on top. And once it's all done, this is how it looks when you take it out of the oven. It is ready. Ooh, look at that. Look at that nice golden brown cornbread dressing. This is what it is, cornbread dressing. Yes, my family loves this cornbread dressing. I've been making it this way for a long time. I'm going to try some new recipes, but not on Thanksgiving. You know how that goes. So I'm going to go ahead and scoop it out here And I'm going to let my husband sample this goodness. As you can see, that it's nice and hot. It's not wet. It's just right. It's not dry. I'm going to go ahead and put the camera that you're going to get on in here and see how it looks. This is the cornbread dressing. You can see the Trinity in there, the bell pepper. Okay. And here you go.
And give me a fork. Why you want to put me on that? Come on, man. I ain't got my hat or nothing. I don't want to taste that on no camera.
Tastes so good you can eat it with or without gravy. And this is how I make my cornbread dressing. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to try it, or tell me how you make yours, and I'll try in my next video.